Good day everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you are new here, I want to tell you welcome. Also want to advise that you subscribe and turn off the notification bell so that you keep getting my content once they are out. This is also a popular demand for people who have been asking how to trade the crypto market successfully, when to enter the market, when to buy a coin, what is the best time to buy a coin, and how to make money from the crypto space. As a beginner, I think you are going to find this video very, very interesting. And even if you're a professional, you are still going to learn one or two things from this strategy. So today I'm going to be using the spot section of Binance. You can do this on any exchange. You can do this on Bybit, and you can use this strategy on any coin. So I'm going to teaching us the strategy that I use to make good money on a daily basis. So depending on your capital, you can actually make between 20 to $100 on a daily basis. Yes, on a daily basis. I'm sure of what I'm saying. So, for example, if you come to wallet here, let's click on wallet. I want to do this trade with almost $100. This is about 99.73. So we're going to be using this for this trade. But before we go ahead to place this trade, I want to come to the trade section. This is the spot section. This is the feature section. So we are just using the spot section, this section. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, the first thing I want to do is to make my research to know if this is the right time to buy the coin I have in mind. So I have some few coins in mind, which I also recommend, but you can use this strategy on any coin. Yes. I have Bitcoin in mind, that is BTC. I have Ethereum in mind. I have BNB in mind. Yes. You have to use a coin that has a higher volume. Uh, guys, just that should be your target. But at the same time, you can actually use any coin. You can use any coin. You can do the same research on any coin. So the reason why most people lose money in crypto is because they lack trading strategy. One major thing about cryptocurrency trading and making money from the crypto space or trading is strategy. Yes, if you have tried a strategy for a very long time, then you can trust that strategy. And that is what I want to share with you. I just want to share this strategy with you. You have never seen any military people go to war without a strategy. There must be a strategy. You can't just jump into trading and say you want to make money without deliberately knowing what you are doing in the market space. You will lose money big time. Yes, you will lose money. So today I want to show you how to do it right. How to do it right. Yes, starting from the sports section of Binance. You can do this on Bybit, on any exchange. You get it. But just focus, understand the strategy, and then see how you can implement it. And please, I also appreciate if you can also give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you have tried it, it has worked for you, please share the strategy, share your feedback, and then let us make money together in this new month. All right. So the first thing I want to do is to go to this section here, is to go here and change my currency to my coin to USDT. Um, Bitcoin. I want to trade Bitcoin USDT. So now I'm now on the Bitcoin pair. That is the first thing. The second thing I want to do is to check the candle here. So I'm going to click here so I can go to the chart and see the chart. Well, so currently now Bitcoin is at $23,747. This is the amount of Bitcoin at the moment. This is the current price at the moment. So what do I do at this junction now? Should I buy? Am I going to be buying high, or what? Is the price already high? Is this the right time to buy, or should I have to wait a little bit? You know, as a layman or as a beginner, one time you jump on this trade now, you would have probably seen where Bitcoin has gotten to before. Bitcoin um, has been on the all-time high of Bitcoin here is that you can see at the moment on this chart is $25,000, and now it's at $23,000. So you may say, okay, there's every possibility that it may go up, and then you may want to buy it. But okay, now let's see my own strategy. I use just two particular method to determine if I'm going to buy a particular coin or not. So I want to see if this is the right time for me to buy Bitcoin, or I have to wait a little bit, or I have to just check on another coin and see if I'll have opportunity in those other coins, then I'll buy. So the first thing I want to do is to come to my time frame. This is on a 1 day time frame, and then I want to believe that some of us will know what the time frame is all about. If you don't know what the time frame is all about, you can check other YouTube videos or check some videos in my videos. You will see where I talked about the candlestick and the time frames and some other things that you need to know about Binance or trading crypto. So, but it's on a daily 1 day time frame. I want to put it on 1 hour time frame to see what is happening within 1 hour time frame. Wow. So this is the 1 hour candle. This is the 1 hour candle. So that means in the last 4 hours, Bitcoin actually rose to $24,000. So, and it's currently at this rate. This is the first thing I want to do, to change the candle, the time frame to 1 hour time frame, so that I will be able to get the clearer picture of what is happening in the market. Then at times I may want to just check 15 minutes just to see, just to play around and see, okay, to get a more detailed picture. Now, I'm not going to be explaining why I'm checking these time frames now. I've done that in some of my previous videos. So I believe that you've been following my videos, and then you understand that most of my videos are step-by-step guide. So I'm majorly beginners friendly. So I'll go back to 1 hour time frame. I've seen what I needed to see in 1 hour time frame. But basically, what I need you to do as a beginner, don't stress yourself about what happened in this time frame. But what you need to do is put the time frame on 1 hour. That is just what you need. Put it on 1 hour. Whatever the candle is saying is none of your business at this moment. Then the next thing you want to do right now is to come down here and activate the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band. Now, for some of you who know about crypto very well, you know that, of course, there is the technical analysis, and then there is also the fundamental analysis. So now I'm just trying to make a decision either to buy or not to buy using my own technical analysis strategy. So as simple as that. So at this point, I'm going to activate my Bollinger Band. So now that activated my Bollinger Band right now, they have the upper Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band, and the middle Bollinger Band. So these are the three here. These are the three here: the upper, the lower, and the middle Bollinger Band. So now that I've activated this, I have gotten the signal I want. This signal I'm seeing here right now is showing me that Bitcoin is already on the high side. I don't need to buy at this moment. I don't need to buy at this moment. Now look at it. Yeah. So what I'm looking for is that I'm going to make a decision to buy if the candle is on the lower Bollinger Band, but now it's even higher above the middle Bollinger Band self. So it's actually at the imagine. So my own the strategy is what I've used so far. It has helped me is by the time I come into the market and I'm able to see the candle just at the lower Bollinger Band, I pick my trade because I'm sure that it will go up. So then you can see it went up from this point. It went up. So um, I'm so sure about the strategy. It may not be like 100% perfect, but in most cases, about 98% accurate. Yes, and when the time you have 98% accuracy, it's a good one. So now, if you go back and check what has happened back, you will discover that it actually played out also. You can see it touched this place, it went up. It came down almost touching here, it went up. And then if you go back and also check, you will see that most of the time, by the time it touches the lower Bollinger Band, there's every possibility that it will go up. So at this junction now, I'm not going to trade Bitcoin. Yes, because with my own strategy, I don't know what other strategy anybody use, but this is what I've been working for me. With my own strategy right now, playing here now, Bitcoin is already on the high time on the high side for me. So I'm not going to buy, because if I buy at this point now, if I buy at this point, there's every tendency that Bitcoin may come down, the price may come down, then later go up. So I will, of course, I want to make money, so I'm not going to buy at this point at the moment. I'm probably going to wait for it to probably drop down to $23. Then I buy and then watch it go up again. I pick my profit. Then I wait for it to come down again. I buy. Then once to go up again, I take my profit using my Bollinger Band strategy on a 1 hour time frame. Just as simple as that. So, but at this junction now, there is no opportunity to buy Bitcoin because it has gone beyond my lower Bollinger Band. So I'm going to look for another coin. So let's check another coin. Let me check Ethereum. Let's see Ethereum, ETH, and then let's see the candle. So Ethereum is also up. They are actually moving um, positive, they are positively correlated. So they're moving the same direction at the moment. So let's see BNB. Let's see BNB. BNB. So this is just how you just check. So BNB also is not on the lower Bollinger Band. So now listen, one thing you need to know is that you don't have to trade the crypto space all the time. When there's no opportunity, you leave the trade. Yes, except you want to do scalping. Yeah, well, of course, that is also good. But if you just, maybe you're a busy person, you just, you do your small strategy and then you are good to go. So if you see opportunity, you trade. If you don't see opportunity, you close your trade. You close your trading platform. It's not a must you trade. So let me see. There's no opportunity. Let me check. Um, let me check SRP. Let me check SRP. SRP USDT. SRP USDT. Also, SRP is coming down. Now, you see SRP is coming down. If I buy SRP at this point here now, if I'm not using my strategy, okay, now, for example, let me take this out now. If I take this out, I've removed my Bollinger Band. You will probably thought, is a good time to buy. You want to enter the market. If you enter the market here, there's possibility that the price may come down. So activating my Bollinger Band now, it's actually showing me that the price is coming down. It's not a good time to buy. So I have to wait for it to come down, probably touch the lower Bollinger Band before I enter the market. So that is it. So I check another candle. If I check another coin, so if I have a lot of time, let me check SMR. Good. So this one, you can see, imagine I'm a little bit late on this, but I can still enter. So you see, this is what I'm talking about. So imagine this is on 1 hour time frame. Imagine 3 hours ago or 2 hours ago, I did this research and I was able to get it at the lower Bollinger Band. You know, there's every possibility that it will go up. You can see even when it got to this point, it did not actually play out. It still went down. But the fact that you are still on this zone, there's every possibility that it will still go up. You will make your money. So that is just the point. So at this junction, at this SMR, let's check if we'll see another opportunity. If not, we'll come back and place this particular trade. But let's check if we'll see another one. But this one is noted. This one is noted. So let's see ADA. So ADA is already above the, even above the lower, the middle Bollinger Band. So there is no opportunity for me to trade here. So let me look at Algo. Algo too is almost getting to the upper Bollinger Band, so no opportunity there. Let me look at which other coin will I look at again? So let me look at this Alpha. Let me look at Alpha 2 is on the higher upper Bolliger Band. So you can see actually see what play out here on Alpha. You can see imagine it first touch here, it went up a little, came back, touch here again, they skyrocketed. But the point is, if I enter the trade on this zone, there is opportunity that I make. It got to this place, it went up. You know, look at this particular trade. It came down to this place, even crossed the lower Bolliger Band, and then eventually still went up, back up again. But my point is, what I want you to understand is that if you enter the trade at the lower Bollinger Band, you have every chances to make money than entering the trade at the upper Bolliger Band. So this is just, there are so many strategies which I'm going to be sharing. I've shared some before. This is just one. I'm still going to share more strategy. That's why you have to subscribe on this channel where you get good updates on trading strategy. So not to waste our time, let me just go back to the other coin and then let's just trade that straight away so that Let's see this one. So I'm going to enter the market at this point here now. I'm going to enter the market here. It's always also high, but it's actually still, still very okay to enter from this point. It's still at the middle Bollinger Band. It's still about to, still playing out. I still believe it's still going to go up. So at this junction, what do? It's either you make your profit, you take your profit once you get to the middle Bollinger Band, or you take your profit once you get above the middle Bollinger Band. So let me go ahead and buy. So click on 100%. I want to buy on market order. So I click on 100%. Well, this is SMRBTC. I want to do SMRUSDT. SMRUSDT. That is what we have. We have USDT. So I'm going to be doing 100% of it at market order. Then I'm going to click on buy. Successful. So I've successfully bought. So by the time you come down here to wallet, let's come back to wallet. And then you see we have it there. This is it. So this is it. So wait for it to go up. I wait for it to go up. Then I sell and make profit. As simple as that. That is just how just how it is. So this is just a trading strategy. This is just a trading strategy. Very simple, very, very easy to trade. And then you make your good, cool money using this particular strategy. So thank you very much. As you have learned this strategy, please subscribe and share. See you in the next video. I'll be sharing another strategy very soon. And make sure you watch the next video, because that is going to also open you up to another strategy that you can now decide which one is more easier for you. But practice this one for a week, then see the result, and then get back to me in the comment section. See you in the next video, and bye for now.